These Amazon kitchen gadgets are making cooking faster, easier, and way more satisfying. From automatic grinder and oil sprays to perfect egg cookers and instant meat thermometers. These viral kitchen finds actually make everyday cooking effortless. Wait until you see the last one. So, here's the first product is oil spray
Make your
bottle.
cooking effortless using this bottle. It's a spray bottle, stream bottle, and how to ease with. This is oil bottle that give you ease to make your cooking clean and smarter. This is the tool which is the ideal for your kitchen. Don't forget to buy this bottle. It's a hi-fi.
Boiled chicken shredder.
Oh, why I didn't get it earlier? It makes my life easier. Like, it's a chicken shredder. Just you have to put the chicken in it and shred it. Make sure the chicken should be boiled. So just move the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction and here you go. It's a simple tool and make your life easy. Must item for your kitchen. Buy it. Hope you like it.
Egg cooker, boiler, poacher, and steamer. Making perfect eggs has never been this easy. Egg boiler enables you to cook every form of egg like omelets, hard boiled, soft boiled, and poached eggs. Its compact size is convenient and clutter free, as you can store all its included accessories inside this. Accessories included measuring cup, egg tray, plain bowl, and two portions small bowl. It saves time with rapid steam heating system, no constant monitoring required, gives consistent results every time. Get high protein eggs at its low energy draw. Most important, thermal sensors prevent overcooking. It's a must-have appliance for every kitchen. Grillers meet thermometer digital. Never overcook your steak again. This Alpha Griller's digital meat thermometer gives ultra fast and accurate temperature readings in seconds. The bright backlight makes nighttime grilling easy, while the built-in temperature guide helps you cook every meal perfectly. Need quick storage. The magnetic mount stick right onto your fridge or grill. And yes, it's waterproof, so clean it effortless after cooking. It has a LED backlight that you give you light in nighttime, and it's a perfect for your kitchen. Go shop now. And it is the perfect for all type of grilling, like this is perfect for barbecues like air frying and everyday cooking. So it's a must have item for your kitchen. If you like, please go shop now. Jar opener set.
Guess what product is this? This is 4-in-1 jar opener. How is it 4-in-1? Explore in 30 seconds. Are you struggling to open tight jar lids? It can open any size of jar because it has adjustable opener. You also get silicone pad, knife butter. Plus, it has bottle opener and sauce opener. Must have item for your kitchen. Go, shop now.
Electric salt and pepper grinder set. Upgrade your kitchen with this automatic battery operated electric salt and pepper grinder set. Just press a button for smooth grinding of fresh spices every time. Adjustable coarseness lets you choose the perfect fine or coarse grind. Built-in LED lights help season accurately in low lighting. With upgraded larger capacity, refill it and cook easily. Modern, stylish, and must-have kitchen gadget for everyday cooking. Which item is your favorite? Tell in comments.